Hi my beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. And today I know the setup is different because I am in Udaipur right now. So I thought why not create a video for you all that how I am protecting my skin from getting tan and what are the precautions that I'm taking. Because it's so sunny here in North India right now and our skin tends to get damaged in the sun. So I am going to be talking about the ways in which you can preserve your skin and have beautiful, healthy, glowing skin this summer. So without further ado, we are quickly going to be diving in. So guys, the first thing that I want to emphasize on is always try to cover your skin whenever you are going out in the sun. So I have been using a lot of hats, caps, sunglasses. So what it does is, if the sun is not coming in contact with your face and also on the other exposed part of your body, then it is not gonna get tanned or damaged. So just buy lots of caps, and there are different kind of fashion looks also that you can create with the one. Wear your sunglasses because we all know the skin around the eyes is really sensitive, guys. We especially need to preserve that. So having sunglasses with UVA and UVB protection is always going to be helpful. So this is my first tip that I wanted to talk about. Now we are going to be moving on to the next one. Next up guys, I wanted to talk about this product which has become an integral part of my skincare routine, especially in the summer season, and it is gonna be this Pond's Detan face wash. Now I needed a Detan face wash because I was going out in the sun, my skin was getting tanned, and tan skin really gets dull because it is damaged from the sun. So this is a face wash which really helped me in giving amazing results. Just using it for 7 days, I could see my skin glowing, my tan was reducing, and my skin got really radiant. So I thought, why not tell you guys about it? So let me tell you how I use this beauty. So every day in the morning and evening, I take a tiny bit, I apply it all over my face, I massage it for a good 30 seconds and then I rinse it out. Believe me guys, it is gonna give you some amazing results just in using it for 7 days. It consists of vitamin C and niacinamide. Both of these amazing ingredients work together in reducing any kind of tan that you have on the skin, any kind of sun damage, and also helps in treating dull skin. So yes, within a couple of days of using this product, I could see my skin getting brighter, radiant and tan free. I highly recommend you guys to go and check this one out because believe me, it's a staple for the summer. Now we are going to be moving on to the next hack. Now if your skin is really damaged with the tan, or if you're somebody who stays out in the sun a lot, you can do a lot of DIY face packs because everything that you need to have beautiful skin is already in your kitchen. So you can take a bit of curd, honey and mix them all together. You can also squeeze in a bit of lemon if you want. So all of these ingredients helps in brightening up your skin, helps in removing any kind of tan that you have and gives you radiant skin. And also the other natural ingredients that you can use if you have tan on your face is aloe vera gel. Believe me, this is a miraculous gel. I use it all the time and I would highly recommend you guys to go and pluck the leaf, apply it on your face because that is the best, I believe. The next tip that I want to talk about is a very common tip. It's common sense but not a common practice, and that is you must apply sunscreen whenever you're going out in the sun. So I was seeing this story a few days ago. There were twin sisters and one was applying the sunscreen and one wasn't. So they were basically telling how important it is to protect your skin from the sun. So one was a lot of aging and the other one was as beautiful, bright and radiant. So yes, it's really important that you protect your skin from sun. At least use SPF 30. I would highly recommend. I'm personally someone who uses SPF 50 because it's really sunny, especially in the northern parts of the country I'm talking about. So yes, SPF 50 for the face, and also guys, UV rays can penetrate even through the clothes that you're wearing. So it does not mean that if you're applying the hat or if you have the glasses on, you can skip on the sunscreen. Please make sure that you make the sunscreen your integral part of skincare routine. I would highly recommend you guys to go for a sunscreen body lotion for your body as well, because even if you're covering these parts, sun rays can penetrate and can cause a lot of damage on the skin. And the sun damage, especially I'm talking about the sun damage because it can cause a lot of aging. So even if you have an anti-aging skincare routine, if you're not protecting your skin, it can really cause some harm on your face skin as well. Because even if you're using anti-aging and you're not using your sunscreen, it's not going to be of any use. So all the hacks that I wanted to talk about how I protect my skin during this summer season, and these have really worked out for me. Make sure that you check out Pond's Detan face wash because it is a must-have this summer season. The link is hanging in the description box below. And yeah, I am gonna be seeing you guys with the other one. Till then, stay bright, protect your skin, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. I love you all so much.